Hey guys, what's good? It's your boy Rashim, aka LT, and I'm back with another unpackaging video, guys. So guys, I'm sad to say that for a few months now, I'm gonna have to just stop with my loot, anime loot, wear loot, crate, the gaming, the EXP. I mean the gaming, the Geek Field EXP for a while and stuff. Things are going bad financially for me, guys, and I'm gonna need to just stop there. But guess what? My YouTube channel do not stop there. Even though that was the core of my YouTube channel, I still have videos coming out, guys. I still have little skits that I will still be performing to give to you and everything. Just for now, at this very moment, I'm gonna have to stop doing a lot of these unpackaging videos, unboxing videos, and everything, guys, until I can get my money back into the right spots and stuff. I'm gonna have to take a break from it. But like I said, guys, I do still have a loot anime coming in, and I got this loot package, and I think that's the final one. Maybe guys, maybe that glimpse of hope, maybe I will come with a box every so often, but it won't be as much as a monthly kind of thing, guys. And I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry. So hopefully I don't lose none of you guys because I'm not doing these videos anymore. It's not an anymore thing. It's just like we're just not doing it at this moment kind of thing. Alright, guys, and Loot Crate and Geek Phil, you were awesome people to send me stuff, so yes. But like I said, guys, you know, hopefully I don't lose none of you guys over this thing, because it will be coming back, and I'm trying other things. Like, I'm gonna start putting up different skits for different things that I'll be trying and stuff. Alright, so without further ado, we have the loot wear here. Okay, guys, I forgot what month this is. Like I said, there might be things that I might go back to, but when you guys open up this package, this is what you're gonna see. Right? Hopefully you guys seen it, because I didn't see it. All right. The first thing we have in here. Oh my God. It took up everything. Okay, I took everything out all at once. We're gonna look at the shirt last. The first thing we have in here are the boxers. And they look like they're Rick and Morty boxers. Yeah, they are Rick and Morty boxers. Let me take them off the plastic, okay? Sorry. I was watching so much. Okay, bam. Here they are. Rick and Morty boxers. Whoa. Is that Rick as a pickle and a rat? It is. Okay, that's what we have, okay? Those are Rick and Morty boxers and stuff. Yep. Pretty much. Alright, so the next thing we have here, we have some Deadpool socks. Oh, he got Deadpool with his tacos, his signs, and his katanas, okay? He do damage when he brandishes his katanas. His katanas are on here. Katanas. I'm playing katanas, guys. These feel like some nice socks. Nice for the winter kind of thing, okay? They're crew socks, people. They're crew socks. Benjamin, get the crew. That's crazy. Why would you have a friend like Benjamin? Get the crew. Okay? Let me show you these socks in detail, guys. Okay, so here they are. These are cool socks, though. I'm not even gonna front. I like the gray. It goes well. They're like nice and stretchy. They feel good too. They feel like some warm socks to be wearing, especially when the winter is rolling in. I like how they got the katanas on there, the tacos. It really expresses Deadpool's personality. That's great for me. Awesome. Okay. And the last thing we have is Fight Club shirt. It's a Fight Club shirt. So, oh snap! What's the first rule of Fight Club? Don't talk about Fight Club. Oh, is it? Because I saw that in Family Guy, and Stewie messed up. Protect Mayhem. Nice. And guys, I don't know if you know on the back of the shirt it says Fight Club. Ballin'. Backward to you, it might say something else, but on there it says Fight Club. Okay, so let's get down to this. Okay. Oh my goodness. There's other people on here. Alright guys. So Mayhem, that's what the theme was. Mayhem. Stay stylish even when chaos reigns. And embrace the characters who may cause mayhem with this month. Exclusive apparel featuring Rick and Morty, Deadpool, Askaska, Aurelia Askaska, and I think it's Aggie Resco. That's that new anime. I mean that new Netflix series on that new anime on Netflix. Yeah, sorry. I think it's Aggie Resco or Ag Resco, and Fight Club. Okay. Obviously, Team Loot Crate, they love us, okay? So, guys, if you guys got loot wearables, you'll have a Rick and Morty long sleeve hidden pocket shirt, which is cool. I always like these hidden pocket shirts. Oh my god, the glare. This right here. I always like those kind of things. Next, if you got loot for her, okay, guys, you guys will actually get an Aggie Resco tank top. I seen this one. I'm watching this currently, guys, and it's awesome. Okay, it's actually hilarious, man. I didn't think it was going to be that funny and stuff. It's confusing but hilarious. And then the next one, if you have Loot T, you get an exclusive Fight Club t-shirt. See? That's what we got. Fight Club t-shirt. That's what we got, guys. Balling. Alright. So the next thing, oh my god. I'm almost there, guys. We're almost done. These are not long videos. Alright, the next thing is, for socks, right? That's a Protect Mayhem. I meant Project Mayhem. So that, when we went back on that shirt, it's actually Project Mayhem. I don't know why I said Protect Mayhem. Maybe because I was looking at it from a different angle or view. And now that actually makes sense on the shirt. Okay. I had a moment. Alright. If you have socks, you either got the Fight Club socks or the Deadpool socks. And the Deadpool socks are a limited edition. And guess what, guys? We got the limited edition. Bowling! Alright, and then the last one. Rick and Morty underwears. Alright, and that's that. If you had loot for underwears, and that's what we got. Bam, Rick and Morty underwears. Guys, thank you. You guys have been great. You guys have been awesome, guys. Like I said, guys, just because I'm not going to be doing so much of these unboxing videos, just because financial issues get in the way of everything. You know, hopefully you guys don't unsubscribe. I still have other things coming out. Even if I can't have tons of actors helping me, it's always me. Okay? But guys, I still have the live gaming stream going on. I still got the other, like I said, I still have the skits going on. I still got the I'm still gonna add new segments on there and everything. I'm gonna start doing more challenges. So guys, if you guys want me to see challenges, as long as it's in the range of not being lactose intolerant. Of being lactose intolerant, but of being lactose intolerant, like, you know, don't give me a chocolate challenge, because you know that's gonna blow my brains out. But give me something that's like, if it's spicy, then I'll do it. If it's like sweet, I can do it. Sour, I can do it. But you know, anything beyond that that's like chocolatey or some milk products and stuff, please don't send it to me, because I might not do it at all. Okay? But yeah, other than that, I'll catch you guys later. It's your boy Rashim, aka LT. Check out my next video, and I'm out. Peace!